Hello everyone, there is Strife broker, the broker who always pays. Today, traditionally, we are talking about the prospects of the market for the coming week. Don't forget to follow us, see the links under the videos, and receive bonuses up to 100% on your deposit. This market overview is not investment advice. One should do your own research before making decision. And so, friends, Merry Christmas to everyone. All the best to you and profit be with you. This week, like the previous one, will not be rich in market activity. So let's go over our main trading instruments and let's find what we can expect. Surely, we are unlikely to see the realization of trading ideas this week, but we are already looking forward to the beginning of the new year, especially the return of the market activity. So let's start with eurusd pair. For this currency pair, as you can see, little has changed. We are confidently moving according to the second scenario. Here already at current prices near the resistance at the level 1.10447. I expect the formation of a short entry point with a target at the level 1.083 and 10. gbpusd, there is a flat movement, as you can see. The priority for this instrument is also in favor of the seller. In general, it should be noted that the euro and pound will mostly be one of the promising entry points, which in the medium term will give a significant downward movement, as I expect. The main target for British pound at the moment remains at the level of 1.25 exactly, with the potential to go even lower. Swiss franc. For the franc, we are now completely moving according to the second scenario too. Here, the US dollar is also expected to strengthen, but here I also expect a possible movement even lower in order to formate false breakout and then close above this support area at the level 0.85, 83 and 0. At this, however, in the medium term, this is also long, and the recovery of the American currency with a target at the level 0.87 exactly. The next one, Australian dollar. The Australian and New Zealand dollar are performing quite well, I should say, and we have achieved our growth targets according to our previous reviews for both for New Zealand and Australian dollar. So therefore, for nowadays, it is better to rely on medium-term trade aimed at selling. So for this pair, I'm waiting for short trade. We're considering selling from the current prices levels and also from slightly high levels, approximately near the resistance of the level 0.68 550. The target for the fall is level of 0.66 76 and 5. For New Zealand dollar, a fall from the current prices plus from the levels just above resistance, this resistance area near the level 0.63 110. The target for the fall is level of 0.61 255. Canadian dollar. The Canadian dollar is a sandwich between two prices areas. This area is still support, but now I should say it's resistance area, and this support area at the level 1.31 exactly. Most likely, we should expect movement towards this support area at the level, as I said, 1.31 600, and then I expect midterm growth towards this resistance area at the level 1.33300. Japanese yen. This currency pair remains unchanged. As you can see, the triangle continues to push the price towards the support level at 142. Here we still expect a fall towards the levels 139 and 140. Yeah, and I suppose near these levels, near the level 140, the seller will most likely be stopped. And metals. As for metals, short-term longs have worked out perfectly, as you can see, for silver and for gold. And now we can take a closer look at shorts. However, due to the low market activity, it is difficult to find an entry point for short, and the current context is still not favorable for the both gold and silver sellers. That is why I should say that most likely and even the best way would be to wait for volatility in the market and then do an analysis. So friends, this is a market overview for this week. Thanks for your watching, share your ideas, and stay with us, follow us, and remember, strive for always pays.